How to delete Duolingo account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can erase your account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Here on the right top, you'll be able to see the settings. Tap on settings. So here we're in this settings interface. Here you can customize different option. Now tap on profile. So these are the profile settings. Here every information about your profile will be displayed. Here at the last, tap on delete account. Now make sure that you want to delete your account. Here there are different instructions that you can read before deleting the account. So after waiting for 5 seconds, you can easily delete your account. Tap on delete account and your account will be completely removed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.